Hey everyone, want to score a free Vans promo code for a discount on your next purchase? It's easy. Just follow these steps. First, head over to easecoupon.co/Vans or scan the QR code displayed on the screen with your phone to go directly to the site. Once you're on the site, enter your email address so the Vans promo code can be sent to your inbox. I'll enter mine now so you can see exactly how it works. Next, select whether you're on an Apple or Android device and click Continue. Since I'm using Android, I'll go ahead and select that option. The site will then generate your Vans promo code for you. To make sure you're a real human and not a bot, the site will ask you to download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are safe and come from trusted publishers with millions of downloads. After downloading, open and use each app for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to register or reach a certain level within a game, like level 9 or 10. This is just a verification step to confirm you're a real person, and it's totally worth it because once you complete this, your Vans promo code will be sent directly to your inbox. I'll speed up the process now with some background music while I finish up the apps. And there it is. I'm refreshing my inbox and I've got my Vans promo code. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and deals. Happy shopping at Vans!